To transfer cryptocurrency from one platform to another, start by opening the Laser Live app or website and selecting the account option. From there, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, such as XRP. Click on the Send button, which will prompt a window to appear. In this window, you will need to paste the wallet address from your Kraken wallet. To obtain this address, open your Kraken wallet, click on the Explore button, and search for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Select the cryptocurrency, click on the More button, and then click on Deposit. You will be given instructions to follow, including the requirement to include a destination tag and the minimum deposit amount. For XRP, the minimum deposit is 0.001, and you can only deposit from the Ripple network. After reading the instructions, click on the I Understand button, and then click on the Address button to copy your wallet address. Return to the Laser Live app or website, paste the wallet address, and click Continue. You will also need to paste the tag, so click on the Tag button, paste the tag, and click Continue. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer and click Continue. Review the wallet address and amount to ensure they are correct, and then click Continue to confirm the transfer. Finally, confirm the action on your device, and the cryptocurrency will be transferred from one platform to the other.